Welcome to my channel, Human Anatomy. Today, we'll explore the respiratory system, its structure, and why it's so important for the human body. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And if you have any useful information or questions, feel free to comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Let's begin learning together. The respiratory system of human enables the exchange of gases essential for life.
Air enters through the nose or mouth before moving toward the lungs.
The nasal cavity filters, warms, and moistures inhaled air. The pharynx guides filtered air toward the larynx. The larynx allows air into the trachea and enables voice production. The epiglottis prevents food and liquid from entering the airway. The trachea transports air toward the lungs through its open cartilage rings. Alveoli are tiny sacs where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged. Bronchioles spread air evenly throughout the lungs. The trachea divides into two bronchi, each directing air to a lung.
Capillaries surrounding alveoli exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide with blood.
The diaphragm's rhythmic movement drives inhalation and exhalation. During inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and air enters the lungs. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and air leaves the lungs.
Oxygen moves into the blood while carbon dioxide exits, completing one breath.
Oxygen diffuses from alveoli into nearby blood capillaries.
Carbon dioxide diffuses from blood into alveoli for exhalation. Oxygen binds to hemoglobin within red blood cells. Oxygen-rich blood travels from lungs to the heart for distribution.
Carbon dioxide-rich blood returns to the lungs for elimination.
Cells use oxygen for energy production, releasing carbon dioxide as waste.
This inhalation-exhalation cycle repeats continuously. During inhalation, the thoracic cavity expands as the diaphragm contracts.
During exhalation, the thoracic cavity volume decreases.
Intercostal muscles assist the diaphragm in breathing movements.
Pleural membranes allow lungs to glide smoothly within the chest.
Pleural fluid lubricates surfaces and keeps lungs attached to the chest wall. Each lung is divided into lobes that enhance airflow distribution. Airflow occurs because of pressure differences between lungs and atmosphere.
The medulla oblongata automatically regulates breathing rate and rhythm.
Respiratory muscles coordinate precisely for efficient ventilation.
Accessory muscles assist during deep or labored breathing.
Lung tissue elasticity helps restore normal volume after each breath. Elastic fibers recoil the lungs.
Surfactant lowers surface tension, preventing alveolar collapse.
Bronchial diameter controls airflow resistance inside the lungs. Thin alveolar membranes maximize diffusion efficiency. Thin walls speed gas transfer. Blood oxygen levels remain stable through continuous respiration. The heart delivers oxygen-rich blood to every organ.
Oxygen diffuses from red blood cells into body tissues to power cellular respiration.
Carbon dioxide produced by cells travels back through the bloodstream for removal. Precise gas exchange maintains internal balance between oxygen supply and carbon dioxide release.
The medulla oblongata regulates automatic breathing through rhythmic nerve impulses.
Specialized receptors monitor blood chemistry and adjust breathing rate to maintain balance. The diaphragm moves downward, enlarging the chest cavity and drawing air into the lungs. Intercostal muscles lift the ribs to assist lung expansion during each breath. Air flows because pressure inside the lungs changes relative to atmospheric pressure. Relaxation of the diaphragm and chest muscles pushes air containing carbon dioxide out. Breathing rate changes automatically according to physical activity and emotional state. Hemoglobin binds oxygen in the lungs and releases it where tissues require energy.
Carbon dioxide travels in blood as dissolved gas and bicarbonate ions for removal.
Lung capacity reflects age, fitness, and respiratory health of each individual.
Clean air and regular breathing maintain lung function and overall health.
Smoking damages lung tissue and decreases efficiency of oxygen exchange.
Respiratory disorders obstruct airflow and limit oxygen delivery to the body.
Cilia and mucus form a protective barrier that cleans inhaled air.
The cough reflex expels foreign material from the airways to keep them clear.
Sneezing forcefully clears irritants from the nose to protect the airway.
Allergic inflammation restricts air movement and makes breathing more difficult.
Air from the lungs causes the vocal cords to vibrate and create sound. Air moving through the nose carries scent molecules to the olfactory region. During exercise, breathing deepens to supply muscles with extra oxygen. After activity, respiration gradually returns to a calm, steady rhythm. Recovery phase. At high altitude, the body adapts by producing more red blood cells.
During sleep, breathing becomes slower and more regular to support rest.
Injury or disease affecting the brainstem can disrupt normal breathing rhythm.
Mechanical ventilation provides oxygen when the body cannot breathe on its own. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation restores oxygen flow during respiratory emergencies. Different species exchange gases through specialized structures suited to their environment.
Respiratory systems evolved to support life, first in water, then on land. Temperature and humidity affect the comfort and rate of breathing.
Modern technology tracks respiratory rate and blood oxygen for personal health insight. Each breath sustains life and connects humanity with the living world.
This concludes the journey through the human respiratory system, the living rhythm that sustains us all.